Hello and welcome back to InstantGMP's document management system training videos. In this video, we're going to cover adding a document and going through the approval cycle. Let's get right to it. Let's work from left to right. Here, you have the ability to hide documents. You can print documents. And there's the ever familiar edit, copy, and version up icons. Notice that there are several columns. There's the title of a document, its classification, type, and system-generated number. There's also version, document ID, status, effective date, and a hyperlink to the uploaded file. At the bottom of the screen, there are buttons for Add New Record and Export to Excel. Click on the Add New Record button. This is the screen to create a new document. Let's work from top to bottom. From the drop-down, I'm going to select Test Classification and next pick the document type. In this case, I'm going to select Training. Click on the Upload button to attach the file. Select the file by double-clicking it in the dialog box or by clicking Open. Click Confirm to attach it to the record. The file name will automatically appear and add in a document ID. The default version for documents is 1. Provide a name for your document and scope is optional. New document automatically appears as the reason for change. Select the effective date for a document and add in your tags. I'm going to select the training tag. Add your document approvers by selecting a username and their title. Make sure that you add yourself as a document approver. Using your barcoded personnel badge, apply your digital signature and click Confirm. After you create your document, you'll be redirected to the document overview screen. Let's return back to the document that we created. This is what the saved cover page looks like underneath the General tab. Click on the Update button. Notice that some of the fields are now read-only. In order to make modifications to these fields, a document must be copied, version up, or superseded. Click on the tab called Tags. Here you can view the tags that were added when creating the record. Click on History Log. This is a real-time log of all the review activities. Since we just created our document, there's not anything here right now. Look at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Submit for Review button. This sends out a system-generated notification to all of the approvers, signifying that an action is needed. Once the Submit for Review button is clicked, more buttons appear. Buttons for Add Comment, Add Change, and Submit for Review appear. Click on the Add Comment button. Here you can use a text box to add comments. I'm going to type in training comment and then sign with my digital signature. Click on Add Change. From here, you can download the document and edit it. Once you've made your edits, re-upload the document by clicking the Upload file and provide a short summary of the changes. For this training video, let's type in that a change was made on the DMS user manual page 2, changed from training to training test. Once again, sign with your digital signature and click Confirm. This too becomes part of the history log. We've made our changes and now it's time for review. Click on the Review tab and sign, signifying that we've reviewed everything. If I wanted to restart the review process, I would sign under Restart Review. Click on the Approval tab. There are a few options. If everything is good to go and I'm ready to approve, I can sign using the Approve button. To restart reviews or to restart approvals, I would sign there. If I wanted to reject a document, I would sign there. Everything looks fine, so I'll add my signature. Once the first signature is added, the document becomes locked. Okay, we've been able to add a document and go through the approval cycle. In the next video, I'll show you how to take full advantage of the DMS's full integration with electronic batch records. See you next time.